How to build wealth with dividend investing, get paid while you sleep. Today I will show you why I use dividend investing as strategy to retire early. I started investing 2 years ago with Roobinhood app because I don't want to retire in age of 59 like rest of 97% people. If you want to retire early and live from your dividend income, smash that like button and watch this video till the end. Key is to buy and hold dividend stocks forever and get paid while you sleep. How much money you need to invest to retire? That is easy. Multiply your annual living expense by 25 years and that is your gold number for retirement, or multiply it by 70 years if that is how much you are planning to live in retirement. Let's take Microsoft stock for example. I know a lot of you love this because we all use their products. Blue chip company with huge market cap, over $1.2 trillion, and good dividend that have space for growth in the future. Microsoft stock is on price $185, with dividend yield 1.1% at the moment. If you invested $10,000 in this stock in 2010 when this stock was $28, your $28,000 investment would grow to crazy $73,000. And that is only capital gains over 10 years. What does it take you to waste $10,000 a year? Just $27.40 a day on one meal in Applebee's. Let's say that one stock of $185 annually brings you $1.85. With $73,000 you can buy 395 shares of Microsoft, so now you are receiving $731 in dividend income. Some of you want to get paid every month like me, so let's play safe and invest in the ETFs such as SPHD, price per stock $43 at the moment. Let's say you invested $15,000 in this stock instead of buying your son Honda Civic that he will crash anyway. You would now own 348 shares of SPHD with a dividend of 4.1%. You would receive annually $1.7 for each share you own, so you will get paid $591 for owning this stock. You can find stocks out there with 10%, 12%, 15% of dividend yield, but you need to be careful and do your research when you see high dividend yield like that, or just watch channels like mine who will tell you what to buy. I have a lot of cool videos who help people to build their portfolios and retire early. I am big fan of NRZ stock. New residential investment is mortgage REIT with diversified and hard to replicate portfolio of companies, partnerships, and investments. I love this model of business because of low costs of operation and labor. Their dividend yield is around 12% at the time. Stock price is $17 at the moment of making this video. Let's say you invested $50,000 in this stock. You have 2,941 stocks, and each of these are bringing you $1.87 annually. That means that you make $5,500 for investing $50,000. I think by now you got the point of dividend investing and why it is so powerful. Let's say you need $40,000 a year to retire in countries like Spain, Puerto Rico, Mexico, Greece. That is more than enough to live awesome life. If $50,000 is making you $5,500 to make around $40,000 a year, you need to invest approximately $360,000 in NRZ to retire. If we look at average house loan in US, that is $240,000 on 30 years. For me, it would be crazy that somebody is not ready to invest $360,000 over 30 years, but they will spend 30 years paying loan to the bank. Do your research, educate yourself, start investing, watch YouTube videos like this, learn how to manage your money, learn how to save your income, and smash like button and subscribe to this channel. I would appreciate it so much, guys. Check out my other videos about dividend investing and have a great day.